Hello! Welcome back to Easy English. Today, we will practice some common sentence patterns. Our first phrases are, I want to, and I don't want to. These phrases are used to express desires, wishes, or preferences. Examples: I want to go to the beach tomorrow. I don't want to eat pizza for dinner. I want to start my own business, but I'm afraid of the risks involved. I don't want to move to a new city because I'm comfortable here. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. Our next phrases are, I'm afraid of, and I'm interested in. These phrases express emotions and feelings, particularly fear and interest. Examples: I'm afraid of heights. I'm interested in learning to play the guitar. I'm afraid of failing my exams, but I'm determined to study hard. I'm interested in traveling to Japan, but I'm not sure if I can afford it. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. Our next phrases are, let's and let's not. These phrases are used to make suggestions or proposals. Examples: let's go to the park. Let's not eat fast food tonight. Let's start our presentation with a brief introduction to the topic. Let's not make any decisions until we have all the information. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. Our next phrases are, why don't we, and may I suggest. These phrases are used to make suggestions or proposals, but they are often more polite and formal. Examples: why don't we watch a movie tonight? May I suggest that we order some pizza? Why don't we try a different approach to this problem? May I suggest that we postpone the meeting until next week? Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning tips and lessons. See you in the next one.